Welcome to Structural Concepts. My name is Detlef. I'm the product manager at Structural. Today I'm going to show you the security roll down cover. The way it works here on our standard box cases is security cover has two handles in order to pull it down, and then we have two locks on either side where you can easily push it in to lock it in place. So now we have a secured roll down cover. In order to unlock the cover, you use the key, enter it into the lock, open it, and then hold the door in order to open the cover. You can see that the cover itself goes up by itself. And that is how the security roll down cover works. Thank you.